Hello mga ka-VA at nandito na naman tayo sa Virtual Assistant Life. Sa mga bagong nanonood, welcome to my channel. I am a virtual assistant and for this content, it's a Filipino VA's house construction day 9. So,
There's light.
gabi kami nakapag-video for this one.
Why is there light? Let's
I'll
go.
turn it to the original
Day-
audio now again.
Day 9 and
It's night 9.
what?
Night 9. It's not day anymore. Corny. Ha 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 ha.
Corny what? What do you mean night?
Night because it's not day
Ah,
anymore.
Night.
Corny. Okay, so today it's dark. Sorry. Oh, but look
Yeah,
at the
we are-
video. Looks good. Look at the video. No, look at the video here.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Different, though.
Yeah, we see different. The video sees good.
Yeah. It's gonna be dark and noisy.
And scary.
Why? I know that they're there.
Are they?
That was a long meeting.
Why would you say that in front of the camera?
Why? It's okay. Long meeting. That's why we're late today.
I wonder how many subscribers we have. We used to have 4.
Yeah, I think so. Look at the house now. They're putting up the fence. Yeah.
How are people even living there?
I just saw one, but
Yeah, I only saw.
not sure.
Why did I say people?
But this is good na rin.
Yeah.
What a
I
tiring
think
day.
it's because of the flashlight.
What?
The
Yeah,
camera.
there.
Yeah, it's the flashlight.
Quiet.
But
Oh, I think they went home. Or because it's just really dark. Ay, wala. Late kami.
yes.
Parang wala kayong ilaw.
Person there.
Hindi kayo nag-iilaw? Ano, ayaw nyo mag-ilaw? Wala na. Careful. Oo.
It's dark.
Yeah, it's okay. Still, yung meral ko kasi baka sa Sabado daw.
Let's see the upstairs.
Pasensya na talaga.
Since they're working on it now.
Nak, madumi ha. Baka madulas ka.
Oh wait, this part is removed. We can go there. This part is removed though. And there.
Yeah. Oh, no, don't go there. It's still wet. Still wet.
It's not wet there.
Ay, good evening. Sorry po. Na-late kami. Ang laki. Knock. Don't step on that. Titus, they're lying down on it. Yeah, don't step on it. No, don't.
I'm just looking at.
There, that's a good space. Eh?
They cut this knife. You're almost stepping on it.
No, don't step on it.
We cannot even see the dog because it's not.
Yeah,
not
it's covered na. Paano pala yung, itong bubong i-extend yan? I-ano nga.
Gonna be a door here, but a wall here and a window here, right?
Yeah. Let's go back in the mornings for better pictures. Shot ba yan? Shot? Baka malaglag kayo dyan, di ba? Oh, careful.
For that rock.
Thank you po. Na-late kami.
Come on, night.
Kat, tomorrow we'll be early.
Why did your meeting end at night?
Kaya nga eh. No, because my boss eh.
Your boss is
Tomorrow, no meeting,
Yeah,
maybe.
to take a picture because it's even later now.
Yeah.
And even scarier once it's even light.
Yeah. Careful. Baka mauntog ka na. Titus. Titus. You almost hit your head here, oh. Be careful, you did not know, ha? Next time, be careful, ha? Oh. Stay here na, don't go up.
There's nothing there, Dad.
Oh, go. 9.
9, 9.
Huh? What?
What happens if we go?
Go.
9, 9. What happens if we go?
Again.
9, 9. What happens if we go to
Where? 1-1. 1-1. 11.
It's just like
No, don't step on that. Let's go na. Nagagalit na yung aso. Sabado, sana may kuryente na.
That was a short. That was a short.
So yun na,
video because
it's just a
Yeah.
short video.
We'll continue in the
Kasi,
morning for the...
medyo na
Day 9.
anohin kami ng oras for
Wait.
for our weekend stuff. So just to go through the photos, again, medyo gabi madilim yung mga photos for this one. Pero kitang-kita naman na yun nga, nakapag-slab na sila sa taas and nakatambay na nga sila doon actually. And on the next days, hatiin yan sa taas. And ayan, butas na nga yung harap at likod again. And then they're focusing on the slab for the floor area. And ayan, naayos na nila yung sa likod actually na slab. And extend na nila yan. So antay nila matuyo. And then we can work on the walls na again and the divisions of that extension. So I know this is a short video, but again, everything's coming into place. Ang daming struggles from day one. Wala kaming kuryente pa for this one kaya sobrang dilim. Shout out sa aming developer na medyo sablay, pero what can you expect? I have to be honest, this is a low-cost housing project. Pero yun lang, nakakainis lang kasi that's just one of the struggles na maano mo kasi parang low-cost nga yung housing. So, ibig sabihin ba, low-cost din yung service na ipaprovide sa'yo. Anyway, you make do with what you're given. Ika nga, lalo na sa ating mga VA, kayang-kaya talaga natin mag-adjust sa mga binabato sa atin, whatever it is, diba? So yun, so day 6, ayan, tumataas na. Day 7 with the with the metal bracings, and then the slab towards day 8. And then yun nga, binutasan na, ayan na, nagkakaroon na. Tapos they put the slab for day 9 already. So meron na siyang slab dun sa taas. So nakakatuwa. So again, it's just a short video. Next videos, I hope I can impart more comments, etc. So please like and subscribe, share our channel, Virtual Assistant Life. Sisingit ko lang to sa trabaho ko, so back to work. See you.